Now this is all connected up. You can see what it looks like. I have turned it on and seen how it works, and it does warm up everywhere, which is good. That's a good test. So there's enough current going through it. I've tested that as well, so it's just fine. So now it's just to pour the self-leveling compound, starting from that corner. Okay, so I used 3 bags for that corner that I'm showing you right now. Another 3 bags up to about this much, and then the full length, another 3 bags. And to be honest, I miscalculated. I thought initially 3 bags would be enough to do the whole room. That was silly of me. 9 bags so far, and I wish I would have got some more to put some more in, which I don't have any because the shop's now closed, so I'm stuck with this, and this will have to do for now. So self-leveling compound is really good, but you need to use a lot of it to get it leveled nicely. But the best thing is that it is actually much more level than it was before, the floor. I mean, the corner over there took 3 bags. That's a lot. So it does work. Just need to be more patient with it to dry now.